Hi, I'm Shaka Starks and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do this super easy, quick goddess boho type box braid style. Really simple. I have box braids in the front. I use human hair and synthetic hair on these braids, and I left some pieces out, and the whole back, y'all, is crochet. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So let's just jump right in. I'm showing you the pieces of synthetic hair that I placed to the side. I used 4 of these pieces. Then I just took this old tape in and cut the hair right off of the track, y'all. Use whatever human hair you have. If you have old bundles, go ahead and use that. I put 4 of these pieces to the side. Then I start off just gelling my baby hairs out of the way and making sure my braid is nice and smooth. This is the gel that I like to use. I prefer this brown gel. It doesn't have a crazy hold, but I don't know, it just keeps my hair in place. I like it. It does what it needs to do. I'm starting off by grabbing one piece of that synthetic hair. I like to braid like with the knot underneath, so this is not necessarily a knotless technique, but I put that hair underneath the piece in the middle, which is my hair, and then I just go over. I bring the synthetic hair over the middle braid, then across, over, across, over, across. I have those 3 pieces, and as you can see, I'm just braiding inward until I grab another piece of hair. So here I'm grabbing that human hair that I cut off that track, y'all. Don't go out and buy hair. If you have old bundles, just use it. Use what you have. And then I just place that hair in the middle. And I make sure that I put the hair to the back so it is out of the way. I probably braid down like an inch, and I just braid until it's time to add another piece. You can add as many as you want. Here is also really important that you're braiding pretty tight to make sure that hair doesn't slip out. Now I'm going in with another piece of synthetic hair. Again, I'm doing it under. So I'm putting that synthetic hair underneath the middle piece, and I'm just bringing it around the front. Don't worry about these little pieces that stick out. Just clip it off at the end. Another piece of human hair, putting it upside down, flipping that joint to the back so it's out of the way, and just braiding down like normal. Just making sure that I'm braiding really tight so that that hair is not slipping out. In the front, I added more hair, more of those human hair pieces. I think for the front braids, I added 3 or 4 to each just because I wanted to hide my thin edges. So this style is really perfect for people that have thin or fine hair like myself. It just makes your braids look a little fuller than just doing like regular box braids without the pieces or even without the crochet. The crochet style allows me to add on a lot more braids than I would have been able to do if I just had box braids. So it just creates a fuller look. Here I'm just adding the crochet braids right to the corn roll. I had 4 on each side going back from ear to ear, and then in the back you'll see I just braided the corn rolls across and added the crochet hair. So here are all the box braids that I did. I just did it across the front of my head, 6 braids for a side part, and 8 braids in the middle for a middle part. And on this side, just 4 braids in the front, and the rest, that second row is crochet. In the back, I just attached these crochet braids. Now I'm just showing you how I seal the ends of the box braids that I did in the front of my hair. I just move the human hair out of the way, clip it up so that it doesn't get braided up. I braid those braids together. I put a perm rod on the end and I dip it in this hot water, and this is what makes it wavy and curly on the ends. And it seals it so they don't unravel. After I give those ends a little clip, I'm adding this mousse, and I'm just going to put on my scarf so that any flyaways are nice and flat. And that is pretty much how you do this style. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below if you would try this. So that is it. I'm just going to finesse these edges. Make sure you check out my video where I am talking about the growth of my edges, because it's coming in. This style allows me to use the products that have really been promoting hair growth, so I can put them right onto my scalp in between the parts. Love that for me. But yeah, go back and watch that video if you're interested. But for this one, y'all, inexpensive DIY goddess braids. I used 3.5 packs of crochet braids, 1 pack of synthetic hair, and some human hair that I already had laying around. Go ahead and try this style, y'all. Save your coins, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, definitely show me some love in the comment section. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Malcolm, and I'm 3 years old.
Very good. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video.
Bye.